Hi everyone and welcome to this demo video. My name is Julian, I'm one of the co-founders at MintIQ, and MintIQ is an AI native operations management system. I'm making a series of these demo videos to show you in an unedited, live way how our system works and how it can add value to your day-to-day life. And today I'm going to focus in on how we utilize our AI technology to make workflow automation and creating workflow automation a lot easier than before. So let's dive straight in. I'm on my home dashboard and I'm going to navigate to the section where we can create automations, which is the term we use for workflows. I'm going to click on create new automation. I'm going to give it a name. I'm calling it heatpack automation. And what I'm going to try to achieve is add a heatpack to a sales order when there is a low temperature. Now, in the past, if you worked with legacy systems, that would be a lot of work in order to define when that should hit what item, how that line should be structured. There tended to be quite a bit of work to be done to get this to work. Using natural language, it becomes a lot easier. So I'm adding this one here. It sounds a bit technical. It's pretty straightforward. It's just where we define when should this workflow run. So in this case, I'm saying when a sales order is created, and I'm hitting save. And then I'm gonna add our magic button to the flow, which is our AI action. I'm gonna just drag that below here and connect the two up. And then with an AI action, with natural language, you can define what it needs to do. In this case, I'm gonna say when a sales order is shipped, ship date, check the destination address, if the temperature is below 20 degrees, add a heatpack to the order. SKU is spam, quantity 1, rate of 3. So we will add a charge for that heatpack. Really simple, but again, I can really structure this and make this any type of sentence. And I need to define what actions it will allow. I won't go through all of these, but it's good to know that we have a weather integration, which will be helpful for this particular flow. I'm gonna hit on save, and also here I'm gonna hit on save. And that's it. That's all we really need to do. The system will be able to take it from there. So I'm gonna go to the sales order screen, and let's just create a sales order together. I'm gonna take the test customer of my colleague, add a few field values here. I'm gonna add a demo item to this order, and I'm just gonna check to make sure that the shipping information is there. So I'll add a shipping date of the date. I have an address here in the Netherlands where I'm sure, considering we're in March, it will be below 20 degrees, and I'm gonna hit on save. Now, what happens now is that the automation will kick off. And on an order, I can always check what is happening when it comes to our automations. I can find that option here under Audit Trail. And then I have an automation subtab where I can see that an automation is running. There's further details that I can check. I can see some timelines. If there's multiple steps, I can see what step it's currently processing. And when I hit the refresh button, I see that it now has successfully run. So let's go ahead and let's relook at this order. Now, what I'll do, just because browsers are persistent, I have a little trick in our system in which I can say clear the browser cache, just to make sure that we're looking at fresh data, and I'm gonna hit refresh on the sales order. When I scroll down, I can see that in fact the heatpack has been edited. I can even see that it was edited due to an automation. And that's really all it takes. And this principle can be applied on any type of use case or scenario you can think of. Also, it's intelligent, right? So keep in mind, I didn't define what line description was required. It really came up with that, knew what would work and proceeded accordingly. So that's an example of how you can use AI actions in your automations. I hope that was interesting, and I look forward to seeing you at the next video. Thank you. Take care.